Hi, welcome to Cafe de Loner's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make my own version of creamy mushroom soup. These are all the ingredients that I prepared. First, our coarsely chopped mushrooms, sliced garlic, sliced onion, chopped tarragon, 4 tablespoons of butter, our olive oil, salt, black pepper, heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of chicken broth. But if you guys doesn't have any chicken broth, chicken bouillon, and then you guys can dissolve it in hot water. Next, our cream cheese. In this cream cheese, we're just gonna use 2 tablespoons. Let's start it. Okay, let's turn on our stove into high temperature. We're just gonna cook this in just 5 minutes, and then after we cook everything, we're just gonna transfer it into the blender, and then the rest I'll show you how to do it. We're gonna start putting our butter. Next, our olive oil. Now, our butter is getting melting. Now the butter is melted. We're gonna start putting our onion. Next, our sliced garlic. Next, our coarsely chopped mushrooms. Next, we're gonna add some black pepper, our chopped tarragon, next is the salt, and now after we mix everything, we're just gonna transfer it into the blender. I'm transferring it now into our blender. The next ingredient we're gonna add is our cream cheese. Next, our chicken broth. Next, our heavy whipping cream. Now we're gonna start our blender. We're gonna put it into puree setting. So now the 1 minute setting, we're gonna transfer it again into a pot. This is very creamy. Do you see it, how pretty it is? So now we're gonna cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes before we serve it into the table. So now I turn our stove onto medium heat. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.